Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable rippling workflows for employee data accuracy, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable rippling workflows for employee data accuracy, begin by logging into your Rippling account. Navigate to the Workflows section on the main dashboard. Click on the Create New Workflow button to start a new configuration. From the workflow template options, choose one that aligns with your needs for data accuracy. Give your workflow a descriptive name to help identify its purpose. Set the trigger for your workflow by selecting from options like employee onboarding or data updates. Customize the conditions for triggering the workflow to ensure it meets your specific requirements. Add the necessary steps by integrating actions like sending notifications or requiring approvals. Incorporate any specific data checks that will enhance the accuracy of the employee information. Review the details of your workflow to ensure all components are correctly set up. Save your changes to ensure your workflow configuration is stored. Test the workflow by running a simulation to observe its functionality. If the test is successful, activate the workflow to start automating processes. Monitor the results of the workflow in the Analytics section to see its impact on data accuracy. Make adjustments as necessary based on the feedback and results from the analytics. Keep your workflows updated as your organization's needs evolve over time. Regularly review and optimize workflows to maintain high standards of employee data accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.